繼續都係我哋2023年 Bio Paper One Boy 嘅題目啊，咁啊嚟到第八條啦。咁啊第八條咧，其實有一條幾中意嘅題目啦。點解咧？因為呢條題目其實係關於一樣嘢叫鯨落啊。咁啊，即係中文即係呢兩個字啦，鯨落。咁啊，呢一個字眼其實對於而家嘅後生仔應該都唔熟，即係都唔難唔知噶啦。即係大家都會知噶啦，都好熟悉噶啦。點解？因為我哋本地嘅 Mirror 嘅 E 人啦，佢哋有首歌都係叫鯨落啦。咁其實鯨落呢個字眼咧，對我嚟講，我覺得都係一個幾有詩意嘅字眼啊。尤其是你喺一個海洋生態入面，其實鯨落係幫助咗好多好多好多海洋生物。咁點解會幫助到好多海洋生物咧？咁我一齊做埋呢條題目啦。咁啊，大家都知道噶啦。咁啊，第八條啦，When whales die, their dead bodies sink to the bottom of the sea。咁啊，當呢啲鯨啦，即係啲鯨魚死咗嘅時候，佢哋嘅 body 就會沉咗落去海度啦。咁啊，呢一啲鯨魚嘅屍體咧，就會提供咗一個 unique community known as the whale fall community，即係我哋嘅鯨落群體啊，就係我哋頭先所講嗰樣嘢啦。咁啊，以下呢幅圖咧就 show 唔同嘅 region of the ocean 同埋 location of the whale's dead body。咁啊，顯示咗兩個唔同嘅 region 啦，一個 region 就有 light intensity。另外一個 region 咧就 without light，咁啊我哋鯨魚個屍體咧就係 without light 嗰個地下嗰度啦。咁啊 Part A1 就問，with reference to the energy flow in the ecosystem，what is the ultimate source of energy stored inside the whale's dead body？咁啊題目嘅答問字眼啦、框框啦，with reference to the energy flow in the ecosystem，即係生態系入面啦，我哋能量嘅流動究竟係點嘅咧？咁啊溫書嘅即係能量流動，其實你任何能量嘅最終係嚟自邊度啊？係嚟自我哋嘅 sunlight 噶嘛，跟住咧就去咗我哋嘅 producer 啦，即係我哋嘅生產者啦，最後就落咗嚟我哋嘅 consumer 度啊嘛，係咪？咁啊，鯨魚咧好明顯係一個 consumer 啦，咁佢嘅能量應該嚟自佢食嘅嘢啦，咁佢食嘅嘢都係啲魚啊，嗰啲海洋生物啊咁樣，咁啲海洋生物其實佢哋食啲咩啊？可能食啲藻類啦，咁啲藻類其實即係我哋嘅 producer 啦，係咪？咁 producer 佢最終其實啲能量嚟自邊度啊？嚟自我哋嘅太陽咯，係咪？即係 ultimate source 就係我哋嘅 sunlight 啊。咁所以呢一條題目咧，個 ultimate source 問到你究竟最終嘅能源嚟自邊度咧？嚟自我哋嘅 sunlight，就係咁簡單啦，呢一分。咁啊，去到 part two 啦喎。咁啊，with reference to the above diagram, explain the importance of the whale's dead body to the whale fall community on the ocean floor。即係根據上面呢一幅圖，叫你解釋究竟我哋鯨魚個屍體對於成個鯨落群體喺呢個 ocean floor 入面有乜嘢幫助。咁又係問題嘅框框啦。with reference to the above diagram，即係要根據以下呢幅圖度啦。咁啊，其實你諗下先。我哋喺呢一個 region 入面，region without sunlight 入面，其實你淨係得 whale's dead body 去提供能量啊嘛。即係頭先拋翻我哋 part A 啦，A1 嗰度講到，其實我哋提供能量應該要 sunlight 係咪？但係 sunlight 其實只係得呢個咁細嘅框框，我而家匿晒呢個咁細嘅框框度提供到 sunlight 嘅啫喎。以下呢個框框完全都冇任何嘅 sunlight 喎，但係呢一度係有生物嘅喎。咁呢啲生物其實佢哋係進食啲咩㗎？咪就係靠進食呢個鯨魚嘅 dead body 咯，係咪？明唔明先？因為佢冇 sunlight 啫嘛，即係喺呢個咁大嘅 region 入面，全部都冇 sunlight，咁佢真係唔可以透過陽光去生產食物啦。咁佢哋亦都要生存嘅喎，咁佢哋食啲咩啊？咪就係食鯨魚個死屍咯。咁所以呢個咪就係叫你透過呢幅圖點樣去解釋翻頭先呢樣嘢？點解呢個鯨魚嘅 body 對於呢一紮鯨落群體咁重要？咁我照寫嘅啫。第一步咧，你咪揀翻細個，因為 low sunlight 咯。Can reach the sea bottom 啦，咁所以咪冇 photosynthetic product 咯，即係產生唔到我哋光合作用啦。但係你留下嗰啲生物，即係呢一度頭先講嘅呢紮框框入面嘅生物，佢都要生存噶嘛。咁佢哋食啲咩啊？咪就係透過鯨魚嘅屍體咯。咁所以最後第二分啦，咁咪講啲咩啊？所以我哋鯨魚嘅屍體就會提供咗一個好重要嘅 energy source for 我哋成個鯨落嘅群體啦。呢個就係當年考評局想你答到嘅嘢，知唔知？ 咁啊，繼續去到 Part Boy，Part Boy 都唔係一條好難嘅題目啦。咁啊，問你個 role of the organism that feed on the soft tissue of the whale's dead body in the cycling of materials。咁啊，重點字眼 role of organism 啦，同埋 cycling of materials。咁啊，記住翻去 ecosystem 生態系統嗰一課入面，我哋去諗啦。究竟我哋成個循環入面，我哋有啲乜嘢角色喺入面咧？即係除咗我哋嘅 producer、consumer 之外，我哋仲有啲乜嘢？仲有我哋嘅 decomposer 噶嘛？係咪？其實你而家呢個係一個 dead body 嚟噶嘛？dead body 其實係屬於 organic 定 inorganic matters 啊？係屬於 organic matter 嚟噶嘛？即係一啲有機嘅物質啦，係咪？咁要透過我哋嘅 decomposer 將佢變咗做 inorganic 啊嘛，係咪？咁所以佢個 role 係啲乜嘢啊？咪就係 decomposer 咯。係咪？就係咁簡單啦。咁啊，望一望啦，當年嘅答案啦，好冇？咁啊，marking scheme，咁啊，第八條八 A，咁啊，第一 part sunlight 啦，頭先講過啦，因為我哋無論個 energy flow 點樣 flow 都好，個 ultimate source 一定係嚟自我哋嘅陽光噶啦，係咪？咁啊，part two 解釋咗點解個鯨落對啲動物咁重要，因為喺 sea bottom 入面冇任何 sunlight 可以 reach 到啦，咁所以就唔會有任何嘅 photosynthetic product 出咗嚟啦，係咪？咁啊，繼續。咁你樓下嗰啲人都要生存噶嘛，係咪？頭先講過啦，嗰度都有生物噶嘛。咁嗰啲生物冇陽光俾佢，咁佢食咩啊？咪就係食鯨魚個屍體咯。個 whale's dead body 咪提供咗一個好重要嘅 energy source 去俾我哋嘅 organism at the bottom of the sea 咯，就係咁簡單啦。咁啊，到 Part Boy 嗰度問個 role of organism 啦。咁啊，role of organism 即係我哋嘅 decomposer 啦。頭先都解釋過點解 decomposer 啦。因為我哋鯨魚嘅屍體係啲 organic matter 啊嘛。咁你將 organic 變現 organic 係要乜嘢嘅幫手啊？咪就係 decomposer 咯。咁所以個 role of organism of 嗰啲喺個 sea bottom 入面就自然係我哋嘅 decomposer 啦。咁啊，繼續去咯，睇埋當年嘅 performance 啊。咁啊，第八條 A1 very poor，有好少嘅同學仔知道原來 sunlight 就係個答案，或者有啲同學仔咧好 simply stated light energy，但係就冇講話係嚟自個陽光。咁所以其實考評局呢個 candidate performance 上面話咗俾你聽啦，如果你淨係寫 light energy 係冇分，因為你要知道其實個 light energy 係嚟自邊度啊？咪嚟自我哋嘅身咯。咁所以你要寫得好清楚。咁啊，有啲同學仔就唔知啦，或者 neglect 咗啦個 ultimate source 呢樣嘢啦，就俾咗話 chemical energy 就唔啱啦。人哋唔係問緊你鯨魚個屍體提供咩能量，係問緊你鯨魚個屍體個 ultimate source of energy 係喺邊，其實就係嚟自我哋嘅 sunlight。咁啊，part two 就 fair 啦，大約三分二嘅同學仔都知道個重要性啦，但係好少，only some of them were able to explain it clearly，即係大家知道究竟點解要用點解個鯨魚啦，個重要性喺邊，但係就冇解釋得好好啊。咁啊，例如啦，佢哋好少即係好多同學仔啦，neglect 咗嘅 information presented in the diagram 啦，即係冇睇題目啦，冇睇個圖畫啦。咁跟住咧，as a result, they state that the whale's dead body could provide energy to the whale for community, but failed to point out that the importance was due to the absence of photosynthetic organism in the deep sea。咁啊，最重要係 absence of the photosynthetic organism，即係冇任何生產到食物嘅一啲 photosynthetic organism 喺度，所以佢先要提供能量啫嘛。如果嗰個地方其實係有一啲植物喺度，咁其實啲動物食植物咪得咯，使乜要食個鯨魚嘅死屍啦？係咪？唔通鹽屍體特別好食咩？係咪？咁所以咧，你記住個重要性係因為嗰度冇陽光，所以冇任何嘅 photosynthetic product，咁所以個鯨魚嗰個 whale's dead body 就 become 一個 only food source for 個 organism 喺個 sea bottom 嗰度啦。咁啊，去到 part boy 啦喎就好啦，即係 good 啦，大部64%嘅同學仔都答啱噶啦。但係有啲同學仔 mix up organic substances with inorganic substances and thought that the decomposer would convert inorganic matters into organic matters。記住，我哋 decomposer，我哋嘅分解者係將我哋 organic 嘅嘢去 convert into inorganic，將有機變無機，千祈唔好調翻轉，一定係有機變無機。記住，鯨魚個死屍係有機物質。咁啊，如果唔分得唔清嘅同學仔，就趁呢一條題目背咗佢啦。記住，死屍係有機，有機先會變無機。透過啲乜嘢變無機啊？透過我哋 decomposer 分解者。咁所以其實呢條題目嘅 part A、B 咧都唔係話太難啦。咁啊，呢條題目其實幾特別嘅，關於鯨魚啊，關於鯨落。咁啊，我哋睇埋 part C 咁啊，同學仔再話俾我聽，究竟呢條題目你覺得難唔難啊？